Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and in this video I will show you how to view the device view. So first you want to go to management, and then here you'll see device view. Like I can see, this is the switch, and right now I'm using the first switch. So here you can see it is green. So the first switch is green because I'm using the first port. And if I would change the port to somewhere here, this will be green and this will not be green. So if I change my port to there, it would basically be a green. So it basically tells you which parts are being used. Alright guys, that is it for this video. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and see you in the next video.